Recent reports suggest that China is developing a new armed drone, the CH-3D, with a clear objective: to challenge the global dominance of Turkey's Bayraktar TB2. At first glance, it may seem like just another entry in an already crowded drone market. In reality, the project reflects a deliberate strategic push by Beijing to weaken Turkey's growing influence in the medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV segment. Over the past decade, the Bayraktar TB2 has become one of the most influential drones in modern warfare. Its combat record in Ukraine, Syria, Libya, and Nagorno-Karabakh, combined with its affordability and ease of maintenance, has made it the preferred choice for many developing nations. Turkey's success, however, has not gone unnoticed. China's state-owned aerospace giant AVIC is positioning the CH-3D not as a direct copy, but as an evolutionary alternative. The focus is on capabilities that modern militaries increasingly value: extended range, satellite communication, and higher payload flexibility. Unlike the TB2's reliance on line-of-sight control, the CH-3D is designed to operate beyond visual range using satellite links. This would allow missions over vast deserts, mountainous regions, and maritime areas where traditional control methods face limitations. This rivalry goes beyond technical specifications. It represents a broader contest for influence in global defense markets, particularly in regions where Western systems are too expensive or politically restricted. While the TB2 remains a proven battlefield platform, the CH-3D reflects China's ambition to reshape the global drone export landscape through a combination of technology and competitive pricing. Whether the CH-3D can truly rival the TB2 will depend on real-world performance rather than marketing claims. Until then, Turkey's drone remains the benchmark, but the competition has clearly entered a new phase.